play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. It's pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. So for that you simply have to go to your TikTok application and you TikTok application. This is how to log. You just have to tap on this plus icon. It will open up this page. Now here you have to not go to the live section, it should be right here. So this is how your live section will look. Currently in my region the TikTok live is not available, so I cannot see this option, but in your case you will see it's something like that. You just have to stop on the live, then you have to select mobile gaming, and then you have to go to tap on go live. It will start streaming your device into your TikTok Live. So you just have to know after doing that you can go to YouTube and watch YouTube videos however that you want to do. Hope you guys find this should I have for